All right, so today our video is going to be about why to double stuff balloons. So this is a technique that a lot of people use, and it's great for a couple different reasons. So one of them is that it's actually going to make your balloon a little bit more difficult to pop as long as you're inflating it correctly, because it's going to be 2 layers of balloons, so it's going to be just a little bit tougher as far as being able to last outside a little bit longer, and just being a little bit more resilient with those 2 layers of latex. But the main reason people double stuff balloons is actually to create custom colors. So you will see people creating their own color palettes using 2 different colors and double stuffing them and laying them and creating their own color. So this is probably obviously the main reason that people double stuff balloon. Also, kind of one thing that is an unofficial thing when you double stuff balloon is that the little kind of tip that you kind of see sometimes when you blow up your balloons, that little kind of circle at the top, the little dark spot. If you double stuff your balloons, a lot of the times you won't see that spot at the top of your balloons as much. So double stuffing your balloons definitely helps with that as well. Makes them a little bit less translucent, so just makes them look higher quality all around. So if you haven't tried double stuffing balloon, I would definitely recommend giving it a try. If you do double stuff balloons, awesome, just kind of master it. It's a great technique to have, especially when you get customers that come to you wanting a very specific color. This is a great technique to use. So if you are wondering, how to double stuff balloons, how to inflate them, all that good stuff, we have all those videos, so definitely go and check them out on our page and leave us any comments if you have any questions on anything. All right, guys, catch you guys next time.